Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will discuss on conventional treatment of physiological neonatal jaundice or the jaundice in newborn. The conventional treatment means English treatment or Western treatment. The treatment you go and take with a pediatrician or a corporate hospital or a small hospital nearby you is known as conventional treatment. In conventional treatment, there are only two options available. One is phototherapy, next one is blood transfusion. So phototherapy is very important. You should not be neglecting phototherapy. So phototherapy has very greater impact in reducing this disease. In phototherapy, what happens is your kid's skin will be exposed to the blue lights. When it is exposed to the blue lights, the toxic unconjugated bilirubin is broken down into less toxic water soluble material and it is eliminated through feces or through motion or through urination. It is very important to have phototherapy. And there are two types of phototherapy available. One is Billy lights and one is Billy blankets. In Billy lights, what happens is the light will be put from above onto your kid so that the high toxic material is converted into less toxic material and it is eliminated. In this, what you have to do is you have to wear the mask so that eye is not exposed to the blue light. And also there are some precautions you have to take here. First one is you should not be applying oils to the kid. When you apply oils or lotions or creams, they become heated and it will burn the skin of the kids. That's the reason you should not be applying it. Next one is temperature. You have to monitor the temperature of the kid. If the temperature is going above, you have to reduce the temperature or it will dehydrate the kid. The next thing you have to do when the kid is in phototherapy is to observe for the signs of dehydration. If there is any severe dehydration, you have to stop and hydrate the baby and then take it forward. One more thing you have to do is you have to monitor the blood levels of total bilirubin, both conjugated and conjugated regularly. Normally, it should be for 6 hours or 12 hours or 24 hours as per the severity of the disease. And also important thing you have to do here is you have to regularly feed the baby. When you regularly feed the baby, so lot of motion is passed out. Along with the motion, so all this toxic material comes out. Normally the stool will be green or yellow or mucus. There will be multiple frequent stools. It is very good and you should not be panicking if it has these kinds of stools, and it is very good that the intestine is working properly and it is pushing out all the waste materials from the body. Next option is Billy blankets. In Billy blankets, we will have the blankets where it will have blue light. You have to just wrap the baby in the blue lights and it will take care. And the most common one is Billy lights, not Billy blankets. Billy blankets are not available at all the places. If this is not possible, if the blood values are not coming down and the ichthyrus is not settling down, you have to go with the blood transfusion. If you go with the blood transfusion, there will be a lot of side effects. But still, in some cases where the pathology is gross and when you are not able to control the jaundice with phototherapy, this is the option they have. The option is replacing the blood, taking the blood from other person and pushing the blood into the baby. This is also a painful process both to the kid and also to the parents, and it is also a dangerous process. Other than these two, there are no medicines with allopathic doctors to make the liver mature so that the liver functions efficiently, and there are no medicines with them once the disease is there. When the unconjugated bilirubin crosses blood-brain barrier, it enters the brain and it damages the brain. They don't have any medicines to recover this. But coming to the homeopathic treatment is the best treatment because homeopathy medicines are specific. Homeopathy medicines can act on the liver so that it will mature the liver, it will improve the liver enzymes, and also homeopathic medicines can decrease the damage caused to the brain or permanent damage, it can reverse it. So homeopathy can be used both in prevention, in going into complication, and also if you are already in the complication, in any stage of the complication, even in kernicterus where say there is serious damage to the brain, you can use homeopathic medicines. There are specific medicines in homeopathy to mature the liver, and also specific medicines in homeopathy when the baby is premature and the liver is still immature. So you have medicines for premature babies as well in homeopathy. Homeopathy has several advantages. Homeopathy is safe. Even without single side effect, you can treat the baby with homeopathy. And also in any case, so it is a mild form or a severe form, homeopathy can help you. How homeopathy can help you? First of all, homeopathy can help you in going into phototherapy. So it will prevent you from phototherapy, or it will reduce the duration of phototherapy, or it will reduce the frequency of phototherapy. It can reduce you from going into hospitalization or blood transfusion. It will reduce the stay in hospital. It will prevent you from going into hospital. Even in advanced cases where this bilirubin has crossed the blood-brain barrier and the bilirubin has entered into your brain, there is very good scope for homeopathy. Even at later stages, maybe you have seen this video now, and your kid is already 5 or 6 years old and he is having lot of complications because of this kernicterus serious form of this neonatal jaundice, you can take homeopathic treatment. Normally kids respond very well in any stage of kernicterus or any stage of physiological jaundice. Finally, you have to remember homeopathy helps your kids in any stage, initial stage, middle stage, or later stage. Even after 10 years, homeopathy can help you. There is no need for you to fear that this treatment may have side effects. There will not be even a single side effect.
Fidicus Homeopathy